Hey guys, it's 4 o'clock and it's time for some chitter chatter. Today we are doing some chit chat with Divya Agarwal. I'm sure you know all about her and you have seen our stories already. Hello Miss Bhumika. Hello Ishika Khatwani. So as you all know that she was the first runner-up with MTV Splitsvilla and she also won Ace of Space. She has done Ragini MMS and also lately her music video with Varun Sood is doing amazingly well on the internet thanks to all you fans. So today we are going to do some nice fun chit chat. I hope your coffee and tea is ready and you're going to enjoy this high tea. So let's see if she's here and let's send her a request. So okay, she's not yet here but she should join in really soon. So in the meantime, thank you everyone for joining us live and for enjoying these live sessions, for sending in your messages, your questions. It's your messages and questions that keep us going, and you can let us know who else do you want us to take live. Would love to interview a lot more people that you want to hear and listen about. Hi PM host P Mawson 55, official DJ Winnie. Hi, how are you? Yes, Garodia Prachi, we are waiting for Divya right here because even I want to question her and listen to her and have a nice chitter chatter with her. But she's still not here, so I'm just waiting for her to join the quest. Twilight Queen Bee, hello. Hello, Abdul Jalil. And Ishika Khatwani, hello again.
Hi!
Hi, Divya. How are you?
Hi, Shweta. Wow, what a coincidence. We
Yeah, we
almost
are
wear the same color.
twinning. I know, this is like
This is so cool.
perfect chitter chatter and twinning.
We did not decide this, guys. We totally did not decide on this.
Yes, it was totally impromptu and there was no discussion of being of this color. But this already gives
No,
me the
no,
vibe
not
that we're
at
gonna
all.
have a fun chit chat.
Sure, Shweta, how are you? First, tell me that.
I am great. How have you
I am superb. I'm just so happy. I've rested so much in this lockdown, you have no idea.
been? Rahul is saying, haha, super cute. Yes, Rahul, I totally agree with you.
Rahul is always encouraging that way.
True that. So
So tell me
tell
what
me,
you're up to,
Divya,
Shweta. What is happening?
how was lockdown with you? Like, I know you rested, but you've still broken your records on internet with your album. So what all is happening in the lockdown?
Shweta, I think there's some issue with your signal. I cannot see you clearly.
You can't see me
There's some
clearly. Can you
disturbance.
see me now?
Just have a look. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, wait.
fine.
Okay, so tell me, how has lockdown been for you? Besides resting, what all have you done?
Yeah, lockdown, you won't believe I have actually planned my entire interior. I've changed my house. I've renovated in a way. I'm actually still waiting for some things, but once those things are ready and done, I'll be having a video of my home renovation and everything. So I have literally developed interior designing skills in this lockdown.
Oh my God, that's like we're looking forward because we're looking forward for many more things that you're doing, like especially your YouTube show also that's gonna come. So now there's one more thing added to the list, the whole interior designing. And being an artist, I love to see new things, new interiors. It just excites me.
And trust me, I've already gotten bored with my look. Like, I'm like, okay, let's change a little bit more, a little bit more. And this is just happening, and Varun is like, Divya, enough now. Stop it now. You have to stop somewhere.
So in your whole interiors, what is that one thing that is really exciting you when you're like waiting for the completion so that you can put up the photo or the video of it?
I think, yeah, I think there are many cool things in the house, you'll know once the video is out. But one thing I'm really waiting for is a Marvel station. So
Oh
Varun
wow.
has this great Marvel fan, and we have decided that I have decided, and he is loving the idea that we'll make a wall full of Marvel toys. All he's got so many toys. Oh my God, he's 25 years old,
Wow.
but he's got so many toys. So I'm gonna make a
Because
wall, a nice showcase where all this stuff will be nicely placed. And guys and girls are going to be really happy. The Marvel fans are really going to be happy. They will look forward for it, for sure. And then there is
Wow,
this
we're looking
wall in my
forward.
living room which has a super bench, and on that bench we have this Santorini style interior where you'll see white and blue and flowers and
Wow.
colors. So it's really pretty, yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So there's like completely different sections going on. Like you go to the hall and it's like Greece. You go to this other wall, which is like suddenly the boyish wall or a Marvel fan
This
wall.
is all because of we keep shooting at home. We want and we both have so many different type of interests, and it's our house, so we wanted के दोनों का equal distribution हो, दोनों के choices का equal distribution हो. So that's what we are doing, and we have to shoot all the time. So we need great walls. You would understand that.
Yeah, totally. Because you know, as an actor, as an YouTuber, all we keep doing is we see a wall and we're like, okay, how can we make this different for the next few prop ups? So that is
Same,
exactly that goes to the mind.
same.
So tell me, Divya, how did you decide to be a part of Splitsvilla? You were the first runner-up. How did the whole journey begin?
This was very surprising to me as well because I had just heard of Splitsvilla. I never watched that show. In my school days, in my college days, people used to go crazy for Splitsvilla. You know, these girls and guys, like this guy is so hot who's in Splitsvilla this year, this girl is so hot. And I used to be like, हाँ यार ठीक है अच्छी बात है, no, that way. So when I won Indian Princess is the time when I got a little recognition. I got into newspapers. I got into all of these things. So there was this girl from Colosseum, the production house. She just messaged that we have this show called Splitsvilla. Would you be able to come for an audition? I'm like, yeah. And I never say no to an audition. I always go for it, no matter what. बाद में देखा जाएगा जो भी होगा, but at least I'll give the audition because that audition reaches places. You know
True.
how it works. So I'm like, yeah, let's do an audition and let's see how it works. And then I did the audition. They loved me. And the very moment they were like, oh, you are so amazing. We want you on the journey. Blah blah blah. Everything happened. I'm like, okay, very fast. Everything happened. Very cool. And one of my friend, my best friend, she's like, oh my god, no, you can't do that show. That show. Oh, girls and guys, you'll have to do some, mushy stuff in the show, and you are totally not that, and your family wouldn't accept. I'm like, fuck, what did I do? And then I started ignoring them, and then one fine day MTV called me in the office and like, what's your problem? I'm like, this is my problem. They're like, you can play however you want, we're not gonna interfere. So yeah, and rest is history. It was just very quick. It just happened. You stuck, Shweta?
Are you there? I've kind of lost you. I've kind of lost you, and now I heard you back. Like last, it was, you know,
I
you cleared the audition, and your friend said,
There's some issue
okay.
with your internet. My internet is full.
And the funniest is my internet is full, and I can see myself clearly. So, anyways, now that I have you back,
Oh
I
my
lost
god,
you where you're.
guys, could you please help us?
Yeah, like who can see whom? Please let us know. Can you spot her? Can you see me? Is she blurred? Am I blurred? Hi Priyanka, please somebody help us. Who's not clear?
Is it better now?
Yeah, you're better now, and I can
Any way
see you
better?
now. All the way better. I can see you clearly. I can hear you clearly.
Okay.
So I lost you where you said that you know your friend said you can't do Splitsvilla. So I lost you there.
My friends said, "Oh my god, that's a very mushy show. You can't do it. You have to do things with girls and guys, you know." And I'm like, oh my god, what have I done to myself? And my dad was super strict, okay. And
Oh,
I'm like, oh my god, this is not acceptable in my family. I'm gonna get screwed. And then I went to the office, MTV office, and then there was this girl from the office, and she's at a very higher post in MTV, and she just told me, so Divya, what have you done? I'm like, I won Indian Princess, I was Miss India, I represented India, blah blah blah. And just one, she said, who knows? And I was just And like nobody knows, not many people knew about it. So I'm like, okay, fine, I have to do this show so that people know that yeah, I'm worth it. So that's rest is history.
Yeah, and then after that, there was just going on, and like, well, Splitsvilla, you were the runner-up, but in Ace of Space, you won the first season. So, how was the feeling of winning that show?
Oh my god. See, so Ace of Space is a complete different show than Splitsvilla. Splitsvilla was all about love and drama and all of that. So I was quite happy with my position in Splitsvilla also. But Ace of Space was a show which actually shows your personality as a person. People like you because of your personality. People like you because of your reactions and the way you are as human. So there, I think winning was very important for me because I really wanted to prove myself, and I was so happy, yeah. And that show was very difficult. Shweta, imagine you're just in a room for 72 days with no sunlight, no window, no access to outside
Oh,
world,
God.
no fresh air coming in, and there's this just a food ka dabba used to just come through the cat door, and just we just used to give it back once we are done eating. It was traumatizing to another level. So I had to really challenge myself and do this. But I'm so glad I won this
That's
show. I'm
really
so glad.
challenging. But it was totally worth it when you won it. You're like, totally worth it.
I won two prizes with the show, so I'm very happy.
Perfect. So before I go on the next question, would you like to tell your fans something? Because they've been sending heart emoticons. They're saying they're a big fan of you, and lots of
Oh
hearts are
my god.
flowing in. So
Thank you so
something for
much,
them.
guys. I'm so happy that we do that. Hi, guys. It's all because of the fans, yeah, Shweta. It is all because of the fans. Whatever we are, however we are, they shape us,
True.
they mold us into a better person.
It's
And
their
I think
love and
it's
that keeps us going.
very true, very true. We always have to prove something that, yes, we are doing, yes, we are here, yes, we are doing things for you guys. So these guys are real motivators for me. Thank you,
So tell
guys.
me,
Thank you.
when you did these shows, which were reality shows, and you said your dad was really strict, so when you won, and what was the reaction of your dad?
I think with time he understood that now because he saw how I performed, he saw I stood for right, he saw I was against the wrong thing. He saw me as a person, and he said that Divya, if you are inspiring so many girls out there, if you're inspiring so many girls and guys out there, I think it's time now that I should start believing you that you are going to do something out of your life. You're going to make something better out of your life. So then he was okay. He was really okay with the way I performed. I was just worried before the show, and without even speaking to him, I was, assuming things in my head. Oh my God, how's dad gonna react? What will happen? Ye, wo. But when he saw the show, he was super happy with my performance and the way I am. He's like, I'm proud of you. So I was really happy.
How sweet. Okay, so besides that, you have been killing the internet. I don't have to say that. You know it, all our fans know it, and the music video that you and Varun have done has been like going on. So, how did the music video happen, and what's next with the two of you?
See, music video was last year, obviously, and that did quite well because all the views are all organic. We had a condition, a condition that we don't want to buy anything on internet, and we don't want to buy any views or do anything. We really want to see what is our worth and where do we reach so that we can do better in life. So Varun and I, we both had this mentality, and yes, the song did well because of our natural chemistry. There were few shots in the song, believe me, were not even planned for the song. We was just having
Okay.
fun, and the guy who directed Jay. So Jay realized that I should not say anything, and I should just record them. Like there are so many scenes I can tell you were not planned for the album, were not planned for the video, but he just took some shots and he just posted it. And I'm like, when he edited them this for a shoot, we were just like, it was so cold. We were just standing next to each other, and like we were like so cold. but he just took those shots and he just added them in the song. So I think that is the reason why you all can see a little nice natural chemistry going on in there. And uske baad se Varun and I decided now enough of working together. Now as an individual artist, we always believe that as a couple it's good to go strong. It's good to work together all the time, and people want to see us together. That's the reason why we opened our YouTube channel, so that people can watch us together. But as an individual artist, we wanted our own journey to be continued. वो तो है ही है, वरुण तो है ही है बाजू में. So yeah, that's the whole point.
So now you're also having a new show coming up on YouTube, which is going to be a treat for all the cricket fans. So what is all about that?
Babe, I can't really reveal about things, but then yeah, that is a completely new paragraph, a new chapter in my life where I'll be talking about cricket, and I'll be closely watching IPL, and I'll be closely talking about all of this, and there'll be guests coming in the show. So all the details I'll be able to give once we are ready with the trailer, teasers, and all of that. We've shot, I think 2 episodes have already been shot, and we're just waiting for the teasers and trailers. Once they are out, and I'll be posting it all on my social media, and then it'll be a boom. You guys will be happy.
So my dear fans, I know you all have been constantly asking me to ask her about this show, but you've heard it all. So just be positive, wait for the teasers, and she's going to soon share it all with you. And all you cricket fans, you all know what you'll have to do. Just continue following her, and you all will know when and what is all about that show. So Divya, tell us something about Ragini MMS that you did. It was your first web movie. उसके बारे में कुछ चिट्ठा chatter.
Oh my God, Ragini was fun. It was fun. It was a lot of hard work because there was a reshoot. There were so many reshoot because of some problems, and then we had dengue, and then too much happened in Ragini. Like the entire year was all given to Ragini, and I'm so happy that it was all worth it because we really liked the way it has come out, and it was our first project. Like it was my first web series, and Varun and I were working as actors for the first time. So it was first time for both of us, and we really enjoyed. We learned through the process, and we got so much time personally for ourselves, like to grow professionally and personally. That we really enjoyed the process. We made so many new friends. So it was a team of youngsters, working together. So we had a blast. It was like party all the time, but too much of hard work because Ragini was always so scared, and she was falling here and there, and I had bruises all over my body because I was falling everywhere. I'm scared. Oh my God, I see a ghost, and I run and I'm down here and there. So it was very bad for me, but then yeah, I had fun. We learned a lot through the process.
So now that you said, that you all are working individually, also you all are working together. So is there something soon that you all are going to be doing something together that we can look forward to besides the individual work you all are doing?
Individually, I would tell the most exciting thing happening right now in Varun's life is Roadies. He is a new gang leader of Roadies, and I can't imagine how happy I am. Like I can't tell you. Because the day since I met Varun, like it's been 3 to 4 years I know him, and since that day I know how important it was for him to become a gang leader in Roadies. Like people ask me, do you want to be a gang leader in Roadies? I'm like, that's not my cup of tea. You'll never see me, thar, thud, strength, ye, bhago, ye. I can't do that. So personality shows, yeah, I'll nail it there, but strength-based shows, passionate shows, and Roadies is very different. Roadies is very different. So, but for Varun, it was a dream. So I'm so happy that he's got one of his stick right there, and I have a new show coming. So I cannot give you details about it, but that show is definitely so big that we'll have to again come live and talk about it in few months.
I promise you, the moment you are out with that web show where you can talk about it and discuss about it, we will definitely do a live and just talk about that show and the journey till there.
You'll be really happy. You'll be really happy. This time I couldn't go with Varun. Varun has already left for the journey. And usually whenever Varun's working, I always tag along with him like a tail. I'm always with him because it's really difficult for us to stay separate. Yeah, तो फिर वो हो जाता है. But then yeah, this time I had this cricket ka thing going on, so I'm working from home. I cannot leave house. So yeah, that's the whole point. But one of my song is coming out, Shweta. You have to know about it. A song with Suyash Rai, and it's the same director who did Namada Likhna for me and Varun. So this is going to be exciting. It's a
Okay.
very good song.
So we all are going to stay tuned to hear the song and watch the song when it's coming out. And since that is something that is going to come out really soon, so we all are like super excited and looking forward. I'm sure fans are you all excited or no? Come on, send in the hearts that you've been sending.
Uh,
Actually, if you're really excited, send the pink hearts now since we both are in pink.
Okay. Hi, Mama. Mama's online. Hi.
Hello, Auntie. So, all your fans also have been wanting to know which shows do you want to be a part of that you've not been a part of? Which reality shows you feel like, oh, this is my bucket list and I want to do? Like,
Jhalak,
is there
Jhalak
anything?
Jhalak Dikhla Ja is shut now because I don't know what some internal issues with the channel and all. I don't know why that show is not online anymore. But I I am dying to be a part of Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Like Shweta, dance is something which has always got me back in my life, and I love dance more than anybody, anything in the world. I love dance. So Jhalak Dikhla Ja is one show I really want to go because Nach Bali to nahi hone wala hai. Varun is not convinced with the idea of going to Nach Bali at all. So Jhalak Dikhla
Oh.
Ja is it is.
I think Sony people all should hear me because last time that I did a live chat on Monday with Rushad and I asked him which reality show he would want to be a part of. He said Jhalak Dikhla Ja. You're saying now Jhalak Dikhla Ja. So Sony, what are y'all doing? Just somebody take Jhalak Dikhla Ja and make it happen. The contestants are ready here.
See how much we want to dance and spread positivity,
You
dude.
know, I can't dance. I have like two left feet. But if somebody questions me, what show do you want to do? Jhalak Dikhla Ja is the only show that I really want to do.
Really?
Yeah, in spite of having two left feet.
Shweta, as a dance teacher, dance choreographer in my past, I've been a dance teacher in my past. I'm so happy to hear that from you. You know, like, I love it when people know that, okay, I can't dance by, sorry, I cannot do that, but I still want to do this. I think Varun should see this live very soon and he will be motivated by you, Shweta, for sure.
Oh, really? That's like a compliment. Thank you so much. Anyways, this is going to be on my IGTV. So whenever Varun gets time or he takes a break, he can definitely watch it and give us a feedback. And obviously, there are many more lives that we are doing. There'll be a live I would love to do with Varun soon. And we too will keep doing our lives. So
We'll
both
keep
journey चलती रहेगी chitter
and
chatter में.
matching, we'll keep matching our outfits also.
फ्यूचर में हम कॉन्शियसली ट्विन करेंगे इस बार तो happen. And next time you might just be like, Acha Divya, what color you want to wear? Yeah, tell me.
Let's wear black this time.
The
Let's
theme
wear
of this
black
web
this
show
time,
is this.
baby.
हाँ, theme of the web show is this. तो एक काम कर ये पहन ले. Theme of the cricket show is this. And since we are doing a live regarding the YouTube cricket show, so let's get something and have a bat and all. Like next time you just come more prepared.
I know. I know, right? We should do that. We should definitely do that, Shweta.
So Divya, before
Love you
we
guys.
end our chitter chatter, there's a quick this or that we'll play. So quickly tell me, action movie,
Okay.
adventure movie,
Action.
favorite action movie,
Action movie.
favorite action movie,
You again. Favorite action
favorite
movie.
action movie.
Uh, all-time favorite. I love these Marvel movies. I love Fast and Furious series. I really love from Bollywood. I really loved War recently. It was really nice. So yeah, I look forward. I look forward to such movies.
Romantic drama or rom-com?
I think rom-com.
Lately, a rom-com that you watched.
I don't know if you can call me. You can call that series a rom-com. Kissing Booth. I don't know if it's a rom-com. You can call it a
Yeah,
rom-com
it
or a
is.
romantic drama. I think that's more of a romantic drama, but I really like that one. And rom-com में
Uh,
I don't know, man. I mean, if you know, I have this problem. If you ask me something that I have to, shuffle from the list, I'm always blank. So yeah, this Kissing Booth is something I was very happy with. So yeah, Kissing Booth it is. Maybe then romantic drama.
okay, historical or science fiction?
I think science fiction.
Superheroes or supernatural powers?
Supernatural powers.
If you had to have a supernatural power, which one would it be?
I think teleport. I want to like just go from here and maybe in your house in like in a second, and probably if I'm here, I'm missing Varun, I just go there with him and just be there. I want to go to my parents' house, I can just be there. I think teleport is the finest superpower I want for myself.
Okay, thriller or horror?
Horror, anytime. I love horror
Reality?
movies.
Which is your favorite? Which is your
I think
favorite?
Veronica, Haunting of the Hill House, and Conjuring series. I love them all. I watched everything.
And I can't watch horror at all.
Really?
I can't
I
watch
love
even
the thrill.
Bollywood
I
horror,
love
which
the
people
idea.
don't call horror. So imagine.
What? I recently watched and it was very funny for me. I watched
So
Booth. It was
imagine.
funny for me.
मेरे लिए मतलब if when I
What?
went for Sri, I was embarrassing in the theater. Like my friend Vandana was like, Shata, you're embarrassing. I said, I warned you.
Stree was funny and love. It was. I loved Stree. It was so good. Oh God, Shweta, you have to watch it with me. Trust me, watching horror movies with me is fun. I
Listen,
don't
I'm
mean to
giving you
scare
the
you, but
disclaimer. I'm giving you the disclaimer, Divya, that suddenly I might just, like, my nails might just claw inside, or I might just scream and you'll be like, what just happened?
Varun keeps doing that. Varun is shit scared of horror movies. Varun is so
Okay,
scared
so
of
you're
horror movies.
prepared.
He was scared to shoot Ragini. He was so petrified to shoot Ragini also. Like, even though we have shot that entire series, even though we have acted in the entire scene, he's still watching it with me like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm like, Varun, come on. I've seen
So,
Grudge, guys.
yeah.
I've seen Grudge. People are like, Grudge देखो, ये देखो, वो देखो. I'm like, हाँ, I've seen
हाँ,
it.
suddenly list आ रही है कि ये भी देख लो अगर नहीं देखा है या
Just text me if I'm missing out something. I would like to watch it tonight. I'm anyways alone.
Okay, reality TV or game show?
Reality TV.
Musical or an animation?
Animation.
Favorite animated character?
I love the movie. I'll name you a movie called Inside Out. It's a
Oh, I love it!
it's a beautiful animated movie. And then if you know this movie called Up,
Yeah, I've seen that also. I love that too. I love animation.
I've cried so much. And yeah, I love animated movies. Yeah,
Drama or comedy?
comedy.
अच्छा हॉरर और सस्पेंस में तो ऑब्वियसली हॉरर ही है फेवरेट कॉमेडी मूवी
Hera Fairy of all times, yaar. Hera Fairy, Avara Pagal Deewana. Then all of these movies, Garam Masala, De Donadan. Oh my God, Priyadarshini movies are real comedy movies.
सो
I
आई एम
love them all.
श्योर यू मस्ट हैव loved भूल भुलैया क्योंकि वो तो सस्पेंस हॉरर कॉमेडी पूरा ही कॉम्बिनेशन था ऑफ द स्टफ यू लव
That was a perfect package for me. That was like, and Akshay Kumar is my heart, yaar. मतलब उससे अच्छा पंजाबी मुंडा I have never seen. Like, and it's his birthday today, so happy birthday, Akshay Kumar. I love you, and you're the best Punjabi munda I've ever seen.
सो
Yeah, भूल
इफ यू
भुलैया.
गो टू अ थिएटर पॉपकॉर्न की समोसा
Popcorn, and
फेवरेट पॉपकॉर्न फ्लेवर
maybe I buy both the things at times. I'm a big foodie. Yeah. I'm a big foodie. You stuck again? You stuck again? You stuck again, Shweta. Hello. Hello.
Can you
I
see me
can't
now?
hear you. Yeah, I can.
Can you hear me now?
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. So, favorite food?
Favorite food? घर का खाना. Anything घर पे बनाया हुआ vegetarian food.
And what do you love
I
to
love
cook the most?
I love simple food more than complex food.
What do you love to cook the most?
I think chole, bhindi, and rajma. I like all of these Punjabi ghar ka khana. Parathas are my dead favorite. Like anytime you want to take me out for parathas. I'll be very happy. But if the parathas are not cooked properly, oh my god, you will see me so angry. Like once we were in this restaurant. I wouldn't like to name, otherwise it'll be bad. We were in a restaurant and I had parathas. I was with my brother. I'm like, Prince, ये सही नहीं बनाया. I was so angry. I went into the kitchen and I told them that, this is not how you're supposed to make parathas and this and that. And they were like, who is this girl coming and teaching us? Bloody, we have a restaurant. Who are you? And I'm like, no, this is not how you make it. So I'm very obsessive with perfect cooking. So I will piss you off that way if you go out with me.
Okay, so I think if we go out, I'm gonna tell you, you choose the place, you decide where, so that I don't have to stress out कि यहाँ का खाना अच्छा है कि नहीं है.
Perfect. Perfect, Shweta. That's a good deal. That's a good deal.
So Divya, thanks so much for joining us live. But before we sign out, whatever, if you would like to say a few nice, loving words for your fans because they've been waiting for a nice, loving message from you.
Thank you so much, Shweta, for you actually, because this was a very entertaining live, and I'm really happy when I look at your live videos. You make it so much fun, you make it so much informative, and fans really wait for your lives. So, because the minute I posted about your live, people were like, "Oh my God, you're doing a live with Shweta. We love her." So. I'm really happy to do this. Thank you so much, Shweta, for your time. And also the fans, love you guys. And thank you so much for always loving Varun and I. And we've been really, really thankful. And please keep supporting. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Divya. And we will make plans soon post a little more of the lockdown opening and many more lives. And see you soon.
See you very soon. See you very soon, Shweta. See you. Bye.
Bye.